I just remembered I have a YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about 3 of the best free video editing software for your desktops and laptops. And the best part is all of them is completely free and open source projects. So you don't have to worry about doing any piracy and stuff like that. You can download them easily right from their official websites for free of cost. And at the end of this video, I'll be talking about which one is my personal favorite and why. So let's start with Shotcut. Shotcut is a free and open source video editing software for doing simple video editing projects such as regular YouTube videos and social media content. It's best for beginners. Although it has a couple of advanced editing tools, still if you're new to the video editing culture on a computer device, Shotcut will be the best choice for you to get started. It has all the basic editing tools that you need in a video editing program. You can cut, crop, trim, add effects and transitions, add text, color correct, use green screen and much more. You can get hundreds of great tutorials on YouTube. Personally, I've got started by watching this tutorial from Kevin Stadwart. Wait, while editing this video, I remembered that I forgot to mention something. If you are a complete beginner in video editing and don't know anything about it, you can check out OpenShot. It's also free and open source and it's actually very easy to use. It doesn't have a lot of features and tools, so you have fewer things to learn. You can check it out as well. Both of them are available for Windows, Linux and Mac computers. The next one is Olive Video Editor. It's one of the best free video editors that are available for free to download from the internet. Not just because it's free and open source, but it has the ability to make highly edited videos right from your computer even if that has a lower specs. It's lightweight, fast, takes less time and can export advanced piece of stuff without any hassle. Talking about the learning curve, it's not very difficult to master. If you know video editing and used any program before, you can pick up Olive right after watching this video. It has a similar interface to your favorite video editing software. You know which I'm talking about. Olive 0.2 is now available at the alpha channel, but I recommend you to use version 0.1 because it's more stable than the new one. It's just my opinion, you can try both and decide your own. Third and the final one is Kdenlive. Kdenlive is the earliest full-featured video editor that could be installed on a Linux machine. It was released in 2015 and still getting new updates every single month. So the community is really huge. It also has all the things you need in a video editing software. Honestly, it has more features and stability than Olive, and it's lightweight as well. But it performs better if you have a decent specification in your computer. It's free, open source, you can get a lot of tutorials on the internet. By the way, if you're feeling lazy, don't worry, I will put all the tutorial links for all the software I've talked about in this video in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out, buddy. I've done it for you, my man. Well, now let's talk about which one I like the most. Drumroll please. It's Olive. It's my favorite because it has almost everything that I need to make a YouTube video. It's super lightweight, boots up really fast, and it has a similar interface to the editing program that I used to use previously. So if you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do, don't you? Subscribe! That is it for this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Bye.